Swift Plumbers, customer number 7456, video number 1. I'm going to reinstall dishwasher with proper hose, connect to water.